What is going on, YouTube? It has been such a long time I haven't been to the track, but it almost feels like it's been like a half a year. And I've just been really aching to get back on the track. So right now I'm headed to Adams Motorsports Park. It's a small track and I'm bringing my RC Cup bike there. Oh man, super exciting. Back on the track for the first time in months. First session of the track. Nervous, but let's see what happens. I wish I stretched out a little bit, made a mistake. I didn't do that. Gotta warm up the tires. Wow, the bike turns in so easily. Forgot how light this baby is. Oh man, the new tar. It's awesome. Oh yeah. Back at home! Woo! Love how light and nimble this bike is. In this track you can pretty much keep it up in third gear and roll with it. Has no problems staying in third gear. Ah, somebody's in front of me. I like that. Gives me a reference point. I haven't been to the track in months, so it's going to take me a while. These guys probably come here all the time. They're used to it and their tires are probably warmed up. They got tire warmers. I keep forgetting GP shift, messing it up. Up is down, down is up. So I tell you, I love this little bike. Alright, I gotta work on my smoothness. It's all starting to come together now. Looks like I'm only one on the track here. first session. That was awesome. The pavement is amazing. I really missed the bike, and I'm so happy to be here. God, I feel alive. I feel alive. All right, session number 2. Tires are warmed up. Tires are scrubbed. Track is warmed up. And I'm warmed up. Well, actually, I'm pretty hot. It's a pretty hot day. So, let's give this baby another go. I always get nervous when I put a leg over this thing, especially since it doesn't have a kickstand. Oh, okay. Every single time I put a leg over this thing and it doesn't tip over, it's a celebration. So, I gotta work on body positioning this time. I gotta work on body positioning. I gotta work on the position where I hold the handlebars, leg positioning, foot positioning, all these things I'm learning from scratch again. Are we going? I guess. That was too wide. That was better than before, but I could do better. Take this apex real tight. Look at the next apex. Slam it. Woo! Slam this apex. Right on the dotted line, baby. Drop down a gear and disappear. Too wide. That was better. This was not. Hit this apex too, baby. Let's go. Boom. Boom. Show off. Alright, I think the bike is broken. It's giving me low oil pressure. Can you hold this for me? Yeah. I think the bike is broken.
Oh no.
Just hold it from here. Yeah. Low oil pressure.
Oh shit. You know, my buddy had a RC390, had the same issue. What year is yours?
It's a 15.
15?
But it's brand new though.
His was
Let's move it up a little bit.
started leaking oil and then that was it.
I think that's the end of my day.
Low oil, what the hell? Where'd the oil go? Did you get a fall?
Yeah, low oil pressure.
If you take it off the stand, I can't see anything in the side glass. Your filter clogged up?
No, I recently did an oil change on it. I bought the bike a couple of months ago, brand new. I'm the first registered owner. But I took it to the track a couple of times. But if you look at the engine, you see the white stuff?
Yeah.
I think that's what it's doing. I think it's leaking and it's not holding any fluid inside of the tank. Yeah, I think it's a bad gasket.
It'd be leaking right out of your fucking your whole case.
Yeah.
What would be white?
Coolant? Yeah, it's coolant because the coolant, I fill it up and then it's empty again.
So what's the oil down here? How did they? I've never gotten a lemon. I know you were saying you did. How do they manage that for OEM?